If you happen to come across this video today, this is for you. This is a very specific, timely word for someone who feels like they are running out of time. You look at your life, your age, your bank account, or your business, and a quiet voice of anxiety whispers that you've lost too many years to setbacks, wrong turns, or are waiting on promises that haven't manifested yet. You feel the heavy weight of regret, wondering if you can ever truly catch up. But I'm here to deliver a powerful decree straight from God. God is not just going to give you a blessing, He is about to give you your time back. Your season of radical restoration has arrived. Amen. Now, listen to this incredible promise of God. In Joel chapter 2, verse 25 to 27, it reads, I will repay you for the years the locusts have eaten, the great locust and the young locust, the other locust and the locust swarm, my great army that I sent among you. You will have plenty to eat until you are full, and you will praise the name of the Lord your God, who has worked wonders for you. Never again will my people be shamed. Then you will know that I am in Israel, and that I am the Lord your God, and that there is no other. Never again will my people be shamed. Now, notice that God doesn't just promise to stop the locusts, He promises to repay you for the years they stole. When God restores, He doesn't just fix the present, He makes up for the past. Now, here is what this divine repayment looks like for you right now. First, exponential acceleration is replacing your lost time. What should what should take 10 years for an ordinary person to build, achieve, or recover, God is going to do for you in a matter of months. Divine speed is overriding human schedules. Secondly, your lack is turning into supernatural satisfaction. The text says you will have plenty to eat until you are full. The season of tight margins, barely getting by, and constant stretching is breaking. You are stepping into an overflow where your needs are fully met and your soul is satisfied. Thirdly, your shame is being permanently erased. Twice in this passage, God says, Never again will my people be shamed. The very areas where you felt embarrassed, left behind, or exposed are the exact areas where God is displaying His wonders. Your story will not end in regret, it will end in radical praise. Amen. Now let us say this prayer together. Let us decree and declare. Our Heavenly Creator, our Creator, may your holy name be honored. May your holy name be blessed. Today, O Lord, I decree that every year stolen by delay, grief, disappointment, or financial setback is being supernaturally repaid to me right now. May you, our Creator, bring swift acceleration to our projects, deep healing to our minds, and an abundance of resources to our homes. I speak an end to all shame and declare that my future will be so bright it completely eclipses the pain of my past. In our Creator's name, we proclaim and command this. Amen. If you are ready to receive your years back, go to the comment section right now and type, God is repaying me. Thank you for lifting your spirit with me today. Keep standing on His word, and I will see you in the next video.